Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Techify, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we've got something super exciting for you. Infosys is offering free online courses in data science, Python, and AI ML, specifically designed for beginners. That's right, free courses with certificates. Let's dive right in. Infosys has launched a comprehensive initiative through its Infosys Springboard platform. Over 50 beginner-level courses are available, each meticulously curated to meet regional needs. This means the learning content is not only high quality, but also relevant to your community. Now let's explore some of these amazing courses. First up, we have Basics of Linear Algebra using Python. This course is a fundamental building block for data science and machine learning. You'll learn about vectors, matrices, linear transformations, and solving systems of linear equations using Python. What you will learn: linear algebraic tools and techniques behind data science, data representation using vectors and matrices, operations over vectors and matrices, linearly independent vectors and linear transformations, solving linear equations with Python. Skills you will gain: data science, machine learning. Next, we have a course on jQuery, a popular JavaScript library. This course covers everything from HTML, DOM, and CSS manipulation to event handling, creating animations, and making asynchronous server calls. What you will learn: jQuery selectors for HTML DOM access, DOM and CSS manipulation, event handling with jQuery APIs, creating effects and animations, asynchronous server calls with jQuery Ajax APIs, enhancing UI with jQuery theme library and UI components. Skills you will gain: jQuery development. Lastly, we have Introduction to H2O using Python. This course is perfect for those looking to build machine learning models on standalone systems, Spark, and Hadoop clusters. You'll learn to load and transform data and build various machine learning models like random forest, gradient boosting machine, logistic regression, and deep learning. What you will learn: using H2O for machine learning models, loading and transforming data, building machine learning models with H2O UI and Python interface. Skills you will gain: ETL, extract, transform, load, H2O, machine learning. Infosys Springboard offers a valuable opportunity for beginners to gain essential skills in various domains. Whether you're starting a tech career or looking to enhance your current skills, Infosys Springboard has the resources to help you succeed. Don't miss out on these free courses with certificates. All the links are in the description. Do check it out. That's it for today's video. If you found this information useful, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Techify for more awesome content. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've tried any of these courses. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech updates.